Well, today I'm going to be walking you through packing a painting for shipping. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can see all of our future videos. The first thing that we're going to do is wrap it up like a present with butcher paper and our signature ribbon so that our collector gets to open something beautiful when it arrives. So once we had it all wrapped beautifully, it is time to add in bubble wrap. So I have my bubble wrap measured out, so I have longer pieces that are gonna go around the painting, and then after that I have some shorter pieces that I'm gonna fold down to put some extra protection around the corners of the painting. So now that we have the painting covered with bubble wrap and have reinforced our corners, the next thing that we're going to do is add cardboard backing. You can also use foam core for this, but I feel like this is the most important step to protect paintings, especially when they're over 24 by 30. Like if they get really large, adding in some sturdy cardboard backing to the front and back of the painting really helps to protect it from any damage that could possibly happen during shipment. Okay, so I just finished putting the backing on this. This is a method that I have developed to ship my paintings, and it has worked for the past couple of years. I've shipped hundreds of paintings this way and have rarely had any issues. I will note the reason why I added in the cardboard backing was because there have been, I think, 1 or 2 instances on large paintings when I was just using bubble wrap, and I would do many layers of bubble wrap where something pressed into the box and the canvas tore against the frame, the wooden frame of the canvas. So that caused me to rethink my packaging and how I could protect it more. And I almost feel like once you get into the larger canvases and there's a wide span of canvas to frame, it's important to add in another hard layer of protection, because the issues that I've had have only been when weight bears down on it and the canvas tears. So adding in this layer really makes me feel more confident shipping them, especially on large paintings. I don't think it's as necessary on smaller paintings, but I think this was a really positive change for our shipping. So since now we're done with this, we're gonna move on to building our box. Okay, so I just finished building the box. Now it's time to put the painting inside and then fill it with stuffing. This is definitely a large size box for this painting and the largest I would use, but I really wanted to demonstrate how I like to keep the painting in the center of the box and then stuff all around it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill all around it. We like to use scrap butcher paper that we have in the studio, and then I will show you once I'm finished. Okay, so you can see how I just finished all the butcher paper, and I just filled it on the tops, on the sides, and all around, and really tried to focus on keeping the painting suspended in the middle of the box rather than pressed up against one of the edges. And next I'm gonna go in with one more piece of butcher paper, fill in the top part of it, and then close the box up. So I just finished taping up the box, and now I am going to add in my signature masking tape, fragile stickers, and weigh it so that we can get it shipped out. Okay, so that is how I package up my paintings. The last thing that is left to do is to print off the shipping label and then bring it to UPS. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we will see you next time.